We'll guide you through how to trace images in Inkscape. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your desktop. Once you have it open, go to the top menu and click on File, then select Open to load the image you want to trace. After your image is open, select it by clicking on it. Now, go to the Path menu at the top and choose Trace Bitmap. This will open a new dialog box where you can adjust the tracing settings. In this dialog, you'll see different options like brightness cutoff, edge of detection, and color quantization. Each option provides a slightly different tracing effect, so you can choose based on your image and the effect you want. For a simple trace, you might start with brightness cutoff, and you can adjust the threshold slider to get the best result. After setting your preference, click Update to see a preview. If it looks good, hit OK to apply the trace. You'll now have a vector version of your image on top of the original. Move the trace vector aside to see both images. You can delete the original if you no longer need it. To save your traced image, go to File, then Save As, and choose a format like SVG for a vector file or PNG for a bitmap. Remember, vector images are scalable without losing quality, which is great for design projects. You can further edit the trace image by using Inkscape's path tools to adjust nodes and paths as needed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.